Have you ever wondered why some animals eat their own kind? A chilling question, isn't it? Yet it's an intriguing reality within the animal kingdom, where cannibalism is not as uncommon as you might think. This unusual behavior often emerges as a survival strategy when other food sources are scarce. Sometimes it's about establishing dominance, asserting authority within a group. It's a complex, often misunderstood facet of nature. Now let's delve into specific examples of animals that partake in this unusual behavior. Take, for instance, the praying mantis, a well-known example of animal cannibalism. This intriguing insect is renowned for its sexual cannibalism, where the female often devours the male after mating. It's a fascinating, though somewhat gruesome, phenomenon that has intrigued scientists for decades. But why does this happen? One primary reason is the nutritional benefit that the female mantis gains from consuming her mate. The male, in essence, becomes a meal that's high in protein and other vital nutrients, which the female requires for producing healthy eggs. The more nutrition she receives, the more robust her offspring will be. In this way, the male mantis, even in death, contributes to the survival of his progeny. It's a brutal yet efficient circle of life. So the act of cannibalism isn't merely a grisly spectacle in the world of the praying mantis. Instead, it serves an essential purpose. So for the praying mantis, cannibalism is essentially a survival strategy. Moving on, we have the hamster, an adorable pet that has a dark side. In the seemingly innocuous world of hamsters, a grim secret lurks. Instances of mother hamsters consuming their own offspring may shock many of us, but it's a stark reality in their world. This behavior may seem abhorrent, but it's driven by a complex interplay of survival instincts. You see, mother hamsters are known to eat their young due to a variety of reasons. Stress is a key factor. The strain of birthing and rearing multiple pups can lead to this unusual response. Fear is another trigger. If a mother hamster senses danger, she may consume her offspring to prevent them from falling into the clutches of predators. But perhaps the most intriguing reason is the survival of the fittest. When resources are scarce, a mother hamster might selectively consume the weaker pups, ensuring the strongest get a chance at life. In the case of hamsters, cannibalism is a harsh reality driven by survival instincts. Finally, let's talk about the sand tiger sharks, where cannibalism begins even before birth. Yes, you heard it right. Sand tiger sharks indulge in a unique and somewhat eerie form of cannibalism known as intrauterine cannibalism. This isn't a horror story, it's a tale of survival in the harsh world of the deep blue sea. In the womb of a sand tiger shark, a fierce battle for existence is waged. The strongest and fastest developing embryo devours its siblings, ensuring its survival and growth. This may sound brutal to us, but for these marine creatures, it's merely a survival strategy ingrained in their DNA. Imagine the womb as a battlefield, where only the fittest and the most ruthless survive. The strongest embryo, equipped with its early developed jaws and teeth, begins to consume its brothers and sisters. This gruesome feast provides the victor with the necessary nutrients and space to grow, ensuring that it will be the strongest possible shark when it finally enters the world. This brutal pre-birth practice is nature's way of ensuring survival of the fittest within the shark species. It guarantees that the strongest, most capable sand tiger shark is born, ready to face the challenges of the ocean. It's a harsh reality, but it's a testament to the lengths life will go to ensure survival. So, when we consider the animal kingdom, it's clear that survival strategies can be as diverse and complex as the creatures themselves. For sand tiger sharks, cannibalism is a pre-birth survival tactic. So, as we have seen, cannibalism in the animal kingdom is driven by various factors. Each example we've explored today highlights a different motivation behind this seemingly gruesome behavior. The praying mantis, for instance, indulges in cannibalism to ensure the survival and strength of its offspring. On the other hand, the hamster consumes its young as a drastic response to environmental stressors or perceived threats. And then we have the sand tiger shark, whose intrauterine cannibalism is a fierce competition for resources, right from the start. It's an extreme survival strategy where only the strongest make it out alive. While it may seem cruel or unusual to us, it's important to remember that these behaviors are not born out of malice. They are survival strategies honed over millions of years of evolution. Nature, in its rawest form, is about survival and continuation of the species. In the end, it's all about survival in the wild, even if it means eating your own kind.